What's up, guys? In this episode, oats and its health benefits. Keep watching if you want to find out. You can't talk about oats without talking about fiber. There are mainly two types of fibers, insoluble fiber and soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is the type of fiber that doesn't dissolve in water. It increases bowel movement, it's basically a laxative, and because it promotes digestion, insoluble fiber helps with losing weight and obesity. Soluble fiber, on the other hand, is water-soluble fiber. Soluble fibers are polysaccharides, which means that they're a type of complex sugar. They can't be broken down easily into their sugar constituents. For that, you need the help of bacteria that are present in our guts, but they are quite valuable components of our diets. But the fact is that oats contain both insoluble and soluble fibers. And this is one of the main reasons for a lot of the health benefits that come from eating oats regularly. The main type of soluble fiber that's present in oats is called beta-glucan. And that's the main reason for a lot of those health benefits that you hear in the newspapers or in videos. A second massive benefit from eating oats is its very low glycemic index. Glycemic index is a ranking of carbohydrate-rich foods on a scale of 0 to 100 that looks at how quickly those foods convert into blood sugar. The higher the glycemic index of a food, the quicker it's converted into glucose in your blood and the quicker it raises your insulin levels. So if you have concerns with diabetes, or if you have diabetes, then what you want to be eating is a lot of low glycemic index foods. Pure glucose obviously has a glycemic index of 100. White rice tends to have a glycemic index around 90, and a glycemic index of around 50 for rolled oats is pretty good if you think about it. Oats are also packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Oats contain vitamins like vitamin B1, vitamin B5, but it also contains iron, manganese, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium. Let's go through the good stuff now. Eating oats on a regular basis can reduce your LDL, those are the bad fats, and your total cholesterol levels quite quickly. Let's not forget, oats do pump sugar into your bloodstream, but what's important to know is that this process happens over a longer period of time, at least when you compare it to something like a morning cereal that you might have that's packed full of sugars. You might be consuming it with milk or soya milk, again, sugars. When I lived in Denmark, I was quite shocked to find out that there are actually people that consume oats without heating it in a microwave or on a stove. They consume it directly, and I'm pretty sure the health benefits from eating raw oats are much better than eating it after cooking it. By eating raw oats, you're essentially feeding your gut bacteria. And it's been shown that eating raw grains actually does increase the bacterial load in feces. So that's the clear indication that your gut bacteria really loves you eating raw oats. Now, am I going to recommend eating raw oats to everyone? No. I mean, if you can tolerate it, then please go ahead and try. Otherwise, I personally know it's pretty difficult to consume every morning. So anyway, either way, eating oats are good for your gut bacteria. Your gut bacteria are going to thank you over time. And by having a stronger, more varied microbiome in your gut, you're basically strengthening your immune system and protecting yourself from many diseases. So there you go, guys. Those were some quick benefits from eating oats on a regular basis. If you like my video, then hit the like button, smash the subscribe button if you want to watch videos like these in the future. I'll see you next time.